Hello guys, welcome to Career Consult channel. In this video I have come up with India's largest internship platform, that is Internshala. So they will also provide the training for you, and there will be so many internships, and you can also get the work from home internship in this website. So let me show what all the internships are present in the Internshala, and then I will explain my experience with Internshala and how to register for the internships. So let me first go to the electronics engineering internships. You can see here electronics engineering internship, the work from home internship with the 5,000 to 10,000 per month. So you can register for this, apply for this internship, and you can see here work from home. You can select the work from home option here. So almost all internships will be almost work from home only at present. There are also part-time and full-time internships are there in this website. So I'm just clicking on the work from home internship. So you can see the electrical engineer at the private limited company, and you can see the 5 to 10,000 per month, and it is for duration of the 3 months. You can also see the month duration month, and you can see so many companies are there who are providing internships, and you will get the internship. Just me Let me just click on the details, so you can see what are all the skills you need to have to apply for the internship. So you'll be getting to know about the company here, what this company does, and what are the skills which are required to apply for this internship. This is same for all the internships. So I'm just briefing out how it will be and who can apply. They will say who are eligible to apply. And perks will be, you will be getting the certificate and letter of recommendation and flexible work hours and 5 days a week. So number of openings will be also there. So it is only for one. So these are the internships for the electronics related people. So you can see the internships count here. It will be more, and you can't see internships more than this. 37 work from home internship will be there for the electronics. And then let us go to the mechanical engineers. So getting internship for mechanical engineers, that also work from home is really difficult. So let me just click on the work from home. You are getting 24 work from home internships for the mechanical engineers. So online tutoring, robotics. So you will be having 10,000 to 20,000 per month, and you will be having 2 months of the duration of internship. So you can see all the internships details here, and I will provide the link in the description, separate link for all of this in the description. So please check the description, and please watch this complete video to because I am going to share how my experience with the Internshala, and some of the tips and tricks you should follow to get internship in the Internshala. So this is for the civil engineers, and as I said, you will be having internships. I will be showing the internship for all of the categories. So this is for the civil engineering. I am just clicking on the work from home internship. You can see location is there, so you can click on your preferred location. If you want Bangalore, then you can click on the Bangalore. So you can see 9 work from home jobs or internships is available for the civil engineers. So you can see Nestle Indian Limited company is providing the internship for the civil engineers, and 5,000 Amazon vouchers will be provided for them as their stipend, and duration will be for the 1 month, and you will also have the due date to apply for the internship. So this is for the civil engineers. So if you are a marketing in the marketing field, then if you want to get internship, then you are having so many internships here, and 1017 work from home internships are there. So you can see here business development, sales. So many companies are there. You can enroll apply for any of these internships, and you can see the eligibility there and the skills and also the information about the internships by just giving the details here. So this is for the marketing professionals or marketing field, and then campus ambassador program. So this is a different program, means you have to you have to be ambassador, means you have to market their product in the campus. So let me just click on work from home here. So you will be getting 95 campus ambassador program. So you can work from home, and you have to market the material or product or any services to the students on to the campus, to your campus. So this is the main basic of the campus ambassador. And even the Intershala is also providing the campus ambassador program. So in that they will hire some of the students, and they will make them as a campus ambassador, and you will be getting some money. And this is for campus ambassador. And the next one is the 134 finance internship. So I'm just clicking on the work from home internship here, and you can also click for the part time if you want to get the part time internships. So you can see 59 work from home internships are there for finance, so investment banking. So you can see all of these internships here. If you are from finance background, commerce background, then you can enroll to these courses. Sorry, not these courses. You can enroll, you can apply for these internships. You can see Nestle is also providing the internships. You can see here Nestle India Limited company is providing the internship, and they are providing the Amazon voucher as the stipend. So this is for finance background. And then you are having the chemical engineers. For the chemical engineering, for them I am providing the two chemical internships. So this internship will be, one is from work from home internship, so you can do it by work from home at your comfort only. And it is for 2 months. You will be having the 7,000 to 12,000 per month, and you can give the details, and I will provide the link in the description. And the next one is the lab technical work, and this is not work from home internship. Those who are in this location can apply to this internship. So the next one is, I am filtering it out based on the location. Here you can also filter out based on the location. If you just go here, you can see you can filter it by location and by stream also. If you want to computer science internships, then you can make it. Let me open in the new tab so that you can see whatever the internships are there for the computer science engineers. So at present I have selected the Bangalore. So you can see 715 713 internships are there for Bangalore location. So I am just include work from home also. So I am just clicking on that. So you will be getting 9,543 work from home jobs or internship in Bangalore. So you can see the details here and all of the internships. And as I said, I am just clicking on those computer science internships, so you will get whatever the internship will be there. So you can see 2,746 computer science internships are there. So I am just clicking on the work from home. So 1,964 internships are there. So React Native, product management, web development, mobile app development, and there are so many internships are there. And the next one is the Internshala is providing the training. So they are having a contest. Means if you enroll to their course, and if like the training which are provided here, and if you excel in that training, then you will be having the chance to win 35,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees along with the certification. So these are the path which they will provide for your training. So programming with Python, digital marketing, web development, ethical hacking, data science, Android app development, creative writing, French language, machine learning, SolidWorks, advanced Excel, programming with C and C++, business communication skills, AutoCAD, financial modeling and valuation, beginners trading certification, graphic design, core Java, Stat Pro, Internet of Things, UI, UX design, photography. So many courses are there, and only these courses up to French language courses are there for the contest. Only up to French language you will be having the free. If you want to be ethical hacking, if you want to train from the Internshala, then you can enroll to that course. And if you done well in that course, then you will be getting 35,000 or 20,000 or 10,000 along with your certificate. So this is the training program of the Internshala. Discussed about all about the internships. So let me show how to register for Internshala. So just click on the register here and as a student here because you are seeking for the internships. So just click on the or I will just sign up with the Google. So it will be easy for me instead of providing the email. Just filling the personal details here. So you can select your preferences. So I am just selecting the first preferences as let me select web development. I'm selecting second as Android development and third as marketing. So you can select based on your preferences and you can also select which type of internship you are available for. Are you available for or looking for full-time internship only or work from home or part-time in your city's internship only or both. So I'm just clicking on both here. So you will be getting details here means in which city would you like to get the internship. So you can select, I am just selecting Bangalore here. So you can select your preference city. So just clicking on save. Now you have been successfully logged into the Internshala, then you will be getting so many internships you will based on your profile. So let me now just apply for internship here to show how to apply for internship. So I am just clicking on the content writing internship. So you can see all the details here. You will be getting 1000 per month and the duration will be for 3 months and start date will be immediately. And you can see about the company and about the work which you are applying for and skills required and who can apply. So you can all note down all these. Just go to the internship which you want to apply, then you can just see who can apply and all of the details here, and you'll also see certificate and letter of recommendation will be provided as a perk, and number of opening is only one. So I'm just applying to show how to apply for these internships. So just click on the apply now, and now you have to fill all of your details about your education, and I am just filling out the random data here because I am already having internship account. So I am just creating a dummy internship account so that you can get to know how the process will be. Just fill the graduation details and your degree about all of the information. This is optional. If you want to provide, then you can provide. I recommend you to provide here. So I'm just showing the dummy account. So I am not creating all of that. So just clicking on the save. So I am just you have to fill all of these details. Add graduation. We have add the graduation details and secondary, senior secondary and secondary. And if you have doing the post graduation, then you can also show here the post graduation information about that. You can upload here, and also the diploma about diploma or any PhD. If you are pursuing PhD, then you can apply here. So I'm just clicking on the next year. So I have filled my education details here. You can now fill all of the details here, but I'm just filling the graduation details here. So I'm just clicking on the next. So in this, if you have any experience, then you can just click on add and you can add your experience. And I am just skipping this for now. You can add your project training or position of responsibility, internships, job, anything which you have done, you can add it here. So I'm just skipping this. So you can see here the some of the skills, relevant skills, because I have selected this web development and Android in my profile. So it is showing that the skills related to that. So you can select any skills. So I'm just selecting some of skills, and you can also rate yourself. So I'm just rating intermediate here, and I'm just clicking CSS and intermediate here. So now I have clicked two skills. So I'm just skipping this, and they can add your skills in this section. So I'm clicking the next. So here you can include your blog link or GitHub profile, Play Store developer account, or any account here or portfolio account. Then you can add it here or any additional details. So you can add it here. So this will be personalized for you and you can change it according to your work experience, skills, and I'm just skipping this and saving and going to next. So here your resume has been created here. So if you want to download your resume, means go to Internshala and just click on edit resume. So you can have the option, you can see here the option is there for download. So you can just download this resume and you can just provide this resume if you are in need of resume at immediately. So I finished my resume here. I updated all of my details. So please update your latest details. And so I'm just clicking on the internship and just clicking on computer science internships and I will apply for an internship here. Just going to game app development here. Going to apply for this internship and I have created the resume by using the Internshala. So they will get the recruiter will get your resume from the Internshala and based on that they will do your selection. So please update your resume. Just clicking on here proceed to application. So you will be getting these two questions compulsory for any of the internship you are applying. So the first question will be why should you be hired for this role? So this should be your personalized answer and don't try to copy it from Google. Try to create your own answer and be ready with the answer. And you can research for your answer but don't copy and create a good answer for this because this is your first impression on the recruiter. They will going to see your answers here and also the answer here are asking are you available for 3 months because this internship is for 3 months. Some of internship may be for 1 month. So if you are not available, then you have to say that I am not available, and you have to convince that I am ready to do the internship. Research for these two answers and be prepared for these two answers, and you have to provide a best answer possible by you to these questions. You after completing these two questions, answering these two questions, you can just click on the submit, and your application will be submitted, and you have been applied for the internship. So up to now, we have gone through the process of registering for the Internshala and whatever the internships are provided by the Internshala and how to apply for an internship. Take a break for 5 seconds and after 5 seconds I will be going to tell some tricks and tips to get internship from the Internshala. The first tip is apply for unpaid internships at first. So while you are applying for the internship, just note that at first please apply for unpaid internship. Why I'm saying like this means it will build your confidence because you will be getting that internships easily. If you are applying for paid internship, then it will be difficult for you to get the internship. So unpaid internships are really not that much difficult to get. So certificate will also help you in landing up for your next paid internship. So you will be getting the certificate either you are doing unpaid internship or paid internship. So doing unpaid internship will provide you the build your confidence also and will also provide you the certificate which will help you in landing up for your next paid internship. So this is the first step. And the second tip is be patient and don't apply for all internships. Internshala says to apply for more internship, but I don't recommend you to apply for more than 10 internships. If you are applying for web development internship, then just apply for 10 internships only, and the process will be about a week for the interviews. So you will be getting so many interviews at a time if you have enrolled or applied for more than 10 internships. So don't apply for more than 10 internships. So this is the second tip. And third tip is get ready with the two answer to the two questions which I said already. Be ready with the answer for these two questions because these two questions are compulsory where you are applying for the internships. So it will be depending upon the role which you are applying. So don't copy it from Google. Prepare your own answer for these two questions. Why should we hire you? and are you available until internship duration. It may be for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. So this is the third tip. And the fourth tip is update your resume based on the internship you are applying for. So if you are applying for content writing internship, then your resume should show that you are good in content writing. So if you are applying for web development, the resume should show that you are having a skill of web development and you are also having some of experience. You can you should not tell any big lie. If you are having a basic knowledge of HTML, then you can say it as intermediate level, or if you are having intermediate, then you can say it as advanced level in order to get the internship. But don't tell complete lie that you have advanced level but you don't know anything about that language or that skill. Then it will be really problem when the interview process will be going on. You will be filtered out due to your due to not having that skill. So this is the fourth tip. And the fifth tip is getting 5-star ratings in Internshala. It will really help. So I haven't said how to get the 5-star rating. So I'm just going to show how to get the 5-star rating in Internshala. So if you just go to your profile, you will be shown with your rating. So just click on no more. So what you have to do means you have to complete all this level. This level will be having some basic information about internship, what you know about the internship and Internshala platform for internships and how you will apply. You will be having the questions based on these. And after getting the master level, you will be having the 5-point ratings here. So I'm just showing the level 1. I'm not going to attempt level 1, just showing how the questions will be. An internship is, so in an internship you get to work on, you can see all of this information. Yeah, this type of question will be there and you have to answer this type of questions. And after completing this type of answering these type of questions, you will be getting the 5-star rating and your ratings will be increased and you will getting the 5-star rating. So why I am saying that you should do the 5-star rating in Internshala means, this means that you are professional and understands how the Internshala works and also how to apply, and you will be having a brief knowledge of what is internship and what the Internshala provides. So this will really help for you. So please get the 5-star. It will hardly take 1 hour, I think, to complete this step to get the 5-star. And the next one is do certification from Internshala if possible. So this is the sixth tip. Why I'm saying this means I have seen so many of the reviews that those who did the certification from the Internshala, which is shown before, that web development, Android development, Java, so many certifications are provided by Internshala, but they are not for free. They are having some money to purchase that course. So if you done that course, then you will get the certification from Internshala. Then your chance of getting internship is really high. So I have seen that from the review, so many students are saying that they are getting internship better when they get the certification from the Internshala. So if you have the money and you can invest, then you can just go and invest in the certification. I said about the certification before in this video only. So if you haven't watched that video perfectly, then just rewind the video and watch that topic. So this is the 6 tips. So these are the 6 tips and 6 tips for getting internships in the Internshala. So let us talk about my experience with Internshala. At present, I have did 2 internships and 2 of the internship is unpaid internship. So let me say the first internship was from NGO and I really say that it was really bad experience working with them, but I don't tell the name here. And the second internship is also from the NGO, but it is really better than that first NGO. So as I said, I am following the same rules which I have said here, for same tips said here. So now at present I am having the internship of Program Hub, means I am having the interview process here. I haven't been selected for Programming Hub internship. So I have applied for Programming Hub customer support. More than 900 people have been applied for that post, and out of that I am shortlisted and I have been going through the interview process, but I didn't got any selection until the today, because I haven't got any of the official news from them. So I think the steps which I have or tips which I have given in this video will really help you in landing or getting the interview call or getting into the interview process. So please follow these tips and tricks and enjoy your first internship. I am also having some internship opportunity for you guys. Web development, digital marketing, and social media marketing are the internships which are providing by me, which will be providing by my startup. So if you haven't watched that video, I have explained that in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, then just click on the I in the top right corner and watch that video. This video is really very long and I have made this video with effort and to get the complete idea of Internshala, and all of your questions will be answered in this video. Although your questions is not answered in this video, then you can just comment it down in YouTube so that I can answer your question. So please share this video with all of your friends because this is a really must watch video for every student. And like this video, support me in this manner. I will provide more great content than this. Thank you guys.